Well, hi everybody, and good Wednesday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here. A day that won't be overly cool by any means, but it's certainly one you'll want to enjoy before the heat comes back to play as we get towards the end of the week and the upcoming weekend here. Well, let's dive into what we have out there this morning. A couple of isolated showers and weak thunderstorms to start things off, and we have that small chance as we go through the day today, maybe a little better chance this afternoon. That said, I'm not expecting a lot of activity out there, but later in the afternoon, maybe enough instability for some strong, maybe severe thunderstorms, especially off towards the north and the west here. But again, this isn't going to be a big threat by any means. As we get towards this evening, after sunset, we lose the heating of the day. Those chances will go away for the most part out there. The other thing I want to mention about today, it's been a little foggy in the southwest part of the state, around the McCook area, and even as far east as about Holdridge, seeing a little light fog out there, but McCook seeing some dense fog this morning. So that's also something I wanted to mention. Now, as we get into tonight, partly to mostly clear skies out there. More than likely, most of us will be on the dry side. Partly to mostly sunny for your Thursday, maybe a couple of degrees warmer. And then towards the end of the day, maybe a few more pop-up showers and thunderstorms, especially off towards the north and the northwest. And then these chances may try to advance southeastward towards the Tri-Cities overnight. And that's probably our last chance of precipitation until we get towards sometime next week. As for chances of severe weather, as I mentioned, they're not overly high these next couple of days, but there is a chance. Storm Prediction Center actually has a marginal risk off towards the north and the west for later on today. Large hail damage winds the main threat. I'm not expecting much, though. It's kind of like yesterday. The chance of severe weather not overly high, but it is there. And then again tomorrow, kind of the same thing. I'm not expecting much severe weather, but to the north and west, maybe some isolated severe storms. Not out of the question. As for temperatures, as I said, enjoy them. While it's not cool by any means, we are going to be looking at seasonable conditions, highs in the lower 80s. Wouldn't be surprised to see a couple of places stuck in the upper 70s if the cloud cover ends up being a little thicker out there, but mostly lower 80s for afternoon highs with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms out there. And then with drier conditions to the east, maybe a little more sunshine, could be a little warmer in places like Lincoln at 84, 83 for Crete and Beatrice out there. So not overly hot by any means, but again, just a few degrees warmer. But we'll be talking heat in a couple of days. Now, low and mid 80s for your Thursday, that last chance of showers and thunderstorms for Thursday night. And then I have taken out all rain chances for the Tri-Cities through the weekend and early next week, as most long-range forecast models now go completely dry, although there may be an exception, which I'll talk about here in just a bit. 88 degrees, a breezier day for your Friday. Not only is it going to be warmer out there, almost on the cusp of feeling hot for Friday, it's going to feel pretty humid out there as well. And that humidity is going to feel pretty strong, or be pretty high again as we head into the first half of the weekend especially. Along with that, more heat. Widespread 90s for Saturday, Sunday, and even Monday now. It looks like we're going to keep those 90s around. That timing of the cold front looks to be a little slower now, and we won't cool back until Tuesday when we see highs back into the 80s, although it'll be breezy on the backside of that frontal boundary as well. Now, as I mentioned, I've taken out all chances of moisture. If we see anything, maybe Monday night into Tuesday or Tuesday night with that cold front, but at this point, it's not looking overly promising out there that we'll see showers and thunderstorms, and maybe towards the end of next week, but even that's kind of questionable at this point, and that's a long ways away yet. So not a lot of rain in the forecast. The heat, the humidity returning in a big way. The stronger winds returning. We haven't had a lot of wind recently, but it will return starting Friday, but then really kicking in over the weekend and early next week here. So there you go. Summer. It feels like summer, that's for sure here. Outside of that, maybe take that umbrella with you here today, out there for today with those hit or miss showers and thunderstorms. So there's your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. Hope you all have a great Wednesday. God bless.